They now choose us. We are Mummy's Bulldog.
Welcome to Mirapool Lagoon. This class will start laying down on a mat on our side, so get ready. After filming TP, we went on to find the next location, Pilates. With the high tide, there was no access to drive further down the beach, so we drove back towards TP to discover an inland track taking us to Mirapool Lagoon. After filming 2 classes this morning, I could feel my body needing a recharge, so we had a healthy breakfast picnic, followed by a class designed to recharge and reset to feel energized, so I could continue on our filming adventures for the morning. And Maisie also saw her first sea eagle here and gave us a good laugh. You'll see shortly. Start by coming down onto your sides and bend at the knee and draw the back of your foot towards your hips, stretching out the front of our thighs here. Take a slow, deep belly breath to help yourself relax your nervous system. Breathing in slow and deep into your lower belly and lower back. Breathing in to expand and then changing sides, breathing out to relax and deepen into the stretch. To deepen the stretch, you pull that heel closer towards your hips, but focusing on lengthening your spine. So draw that ribcage away from your hips, squeeze those shoulders together. And let's go over to the other side, breathing in and out to pull the heels towards your buttocks, bending at that knee, pressing your chest forward for a deeper stretch. Work that breath, breathing in and out to change sides. Relax the shoulders down, chin up, lengthening through the crown. Breathing in and out, feeling the stretch to the front of your thighs. We're going to come into glute stretch. So you're drawing the knee between your chest, and from there you want to press the hips down towards the earth. Once again, rib cage away from your hips. Relax the shoulders down and lengthen the spine. Working on the slow, deep belly breaths here. Breathing in and out. Feeling yourself coming down into your body. Relaxing your mind, slowing the mind down, and just being really present in your body. Breathing in and out, pressing the hips down towards the earth on the breath out. Feeling the stretch through the hips. Let's change sides, pulling the opposite knee in towards your chest, pressing the hips down, breathing in and out. Feeling yourself really drawing down towards the earth. Work that breath, slowing yourself down here. Breathing in and out. Now from there, coming on up, we're going to stretch the hips back into the heels, turning that tailbone up towards the sky to stretch out our back And then from there, feeling the chest going down towards the earth, relax the shoulders down your back. This will stretch out our